Them man are moving mad. Nah, you're moving mad. Them man are moving mad. Before you chat to me, who's your dad?
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you know who I am, good for you. If you don't know who I am, it's Ty with the beanie. I know it's been a while, and so I'm gonna get straight into this video without wasting any time. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing a package that I got from Target Scholars Program. I got accepted into the Target Scholarship Program. It's a $5,000 scholarship, 2.5 per semester for 1 year. We get a lot of things like coaches and mentors and the package, and we get other stuff from the program when you get accepted. I just want to give a quick shout out to Target Scholars Program. Thank you so much for giving me this scholarship and accepting me into the program. It's an honor for me, and I definitely appreciate the opportunity. So we're gonna be unboxing this, and I'm gonna just start off right away because ain't nobody got time to waste. So we have that. Ooh, it's red. My mom doesn't like red, but oh, we're gonna take that part out. Oh my great, oh my great, oh my. Welcome to Team Target. Ooh, he is scholar now. I don't know if is this what the makeup people do. Oh, I don't know. It says, welcome to Team Target. We're looking forward to having you join the extended Target family. Consider this a welcome kit to celebrate you. Share your excitement with us on social media by using the hashtag Target Scholars. Follow us at Team Target. Make sure you follow Target. Make sure you subscribe to the video too. Subscribe and follow Target. I guess you write what you're most excited for on this. I'll probably put it up on my wall next to my sexy picture drawing of me. And in here we have a lot of stuff. Thank you so much, Target. We have a hat. Ooh. Tie with the beanie hat, or tie with the hat beanie. Go shorty, it's your birthday. Go shorty. We have these. This is a sticker. You can remove it from the back, and I guess you stick it on something. I'll probably put it on the back of my laptop. I'll probably put it up here. This is a MacBook, by the way. I just have an Android sticker on it. Don't ask me why. Ooh, we have a pen, a Target pen. We have like a journal. Oh, it's very nice. Oh my great. Oh my great. Look at this journal, you guys. See the Target, and then it's kind of, it feels like a book, but it also kind of feels like wood. So it's very nice. It's, ooh, get into it. Oh my great. Oh my great. Oh wow. Oh my great. We have this book too inside, and it's titled Professional Troublemaker. I am a professional troublemaker. And it's by Lovey Ajayi Jones. Ajayi, they are probably Nigerian, Ajayi Jones. And oh, it's been reviewed by many people. Issa Rae from Insecure has reviewed the book, so you definitely know this is gonna be a good book. I can't wait to read it, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about the book. And last but not least, we have gummy bears. Oh wow, this is so nice, and it's in a nice package. Ooh, you know I love gummy bears, even though I'm allergic, but I still eat it. So I only eat it when I'm not going out, and going out or not, I'm definitely eating these gummy bears. And they have the ingredients on there too. And that's it, guys. I'm at the end of the box, and there's nothing else inside. This was definitely an amazing package to receive from Target. Thank you once again to Target. Thank you to the Target Scholars Program. Thank you for the amazing opportunity. Thank you for the package. Thank you for everything. And thank you for the money too, because there was definitely some money there in the scholarship. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe down below. Now that I'm back on here, I'm going to start rolling out with videos. YouTube is going to text me and say, please, slow down, Ty with the beanie. Slow down. You want to kill us with videos, All right, take care, y'all.